Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to do conditional formatting in Excel 2016. Conditional formatting lets you specify formatting for a cell range based on the contents of the cell range. For example, given the percentage returns for a stock, which you can find below the video, you can use conditional formatting to display in red the days with negative returns or in green the days with positive returns. Basically, when you set up conditions for formatting a range of cells, Excel checks each cell in the range to determine whether any of the conditions you specified is satisfied. It's basically for getting a better visualization of your data. Okay, so to view the conditional formatting options, first select the range you want to format, which is the percentage returns column, column C. Either use your mouse and highlight the cells or use Ctrl-Shift-down arrow to highlight the whole column. And then the next thing is on the Home tab in the Styles group, which is here, click the conditional formatting arrow, this one, to open a menu of conditional formatting options. So there are basically four main options, and there is also an option for customization. So you can customize your own rule. Currently, I'm going to show you three of the most popular ones. So three most popular ones. First one is called highlight cell rules. This rule allows you to assign a format to cells whose contents meets certain criteria. For example, if they are within a specific numerical range or if they match a specific test string. In this case, I'm going to show you how to highlight positive returns, for example, in green. So change this number to 0. So this will allow you to format cells that are greater than 0, which means positive returns, and change them to green field, and then click OK. So this is one option. The second option is when you undo it, you can change the colors. You can also make it less than zeros and then red one, so this will highlight negative returns. So it's basically the same thing. So this is one option. The second option is, again, let's undo it and then highlight the cells again. The second option is called top bottom rules. So this rule allows you to assign a format to any of the following. For example, n largest or smallest values in a range, top or bottom n% of numbers in a range, etc. So here is this is top 10, top 10%, bottom 10, bottom 10%, etc. You can easily customize this number 10 to 20 or 30, whatever you want. So I'm going to show you how to do it, how to highlight top 10s. So you can easily change it from here, 10 to 20, whatever. And then it's going to highlight them in green, for example. So this is going to highlight the top 10 returns, like highest returns. So when you scroll down, you will see the top 10 days. So this is one day, for example, the other days here, etc. So you will see only 10 highlighted returns. Okay, so this is the second option. Let's undo it. By the way, there's an option here. It says clear rules. It clear rules for the entire sheet, so you do not need to undo it all the time. You can clear it. The third option is called data bars. Data bars, color scales, and icon sets. These allow you to easily identify large, small, or intermediate values in a selected range. Larger data bars are associated with larger numbers. With color scales, you might also have smaller values appear in red and larger values in blue or green, with a smooth transition applied as values in the range increase from small to large. So for example, select data bars and then click the second one. I'm sorry, so you have to highlight it first. So highlight it, click the second one, top bottom rules, data bars, and click this one. So it will basically highlight every single cell with red or green. And this highlight will be larger for larger values and smaller for smaller values. For example, this 2.51 is the largest among these 10 days. and its column is higher. So this is also a convenient way of highlighting the data. Well, that's all for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you in the coming videos.